Husqvarna TE 300i Best Enduro Motorcycles. Almost every manufacturer out there now offers enduro motorcycles, but the best enduro bikes usually go by the names KTM, Yamaha, Honda, Suzuki, and Husqvarna. New players on the scene include Gas and Beta. With so many types and brands of enduro motorcycles on the market, finding the right one can be a challenging task. If you don't know where to start when it comes to buying an enduro motorcycle, we've got you covered. This section highlights the best enduro motorcycles on the market in 2022. Our top picks for selecting these enduro motorcycles were based on broad criteria such as power, speed, tank capacity, transmission, starter type and weight. Let's dive in. Monomoto's top choice for the best enduro motorcycle, Husqvarna TE 300i. Husqvarna TE 300i is a two-stroke enduro motorcycle. Although it has a carbon fiber subframe that is lightweight, the bike itself is slightly heavier than usual. This means it has a great potential for more control and anchoring. Husqvarna TE 300i Enduro motorbike has a map select switch that provides two standard modes. This enduro dirt bike is on our list because of its great potential for control, especially for experienced riders. Dry weight: 106.2 kilograms, 234.1 pounds. Power: 43.8 horsepower. Displacement: 293.2 ccm. Top speed: 71 miles per hour, 115 kilometers per hour. Starter: electric with optional kickstart. Tank capacity: 8.5 L, 2.25 gallons. Transmission: 6-speed. Wheel size: 21 inches front, 18 rear. Fuel system: injection cooling system. Liquid seat height: 950 mm, 37.4 inches. Engine type: single cylinder, 2-stroke. Fuel control: double overhead cams, twin cam. DOHC color: white, blue, yellow. Price: $10,299. Who makes the best enduro motorcycles? While there are many great enduro manufacturers on the market, KTM tops the list of the best enduro motorcycle brands, with Yamaha, Husqvarna, and Honda on the rise. What is the difference between doubles and enduro? Enduro motorcycles are smaller, lighter and better adapted for high speeds on rough terrain. Enduro bikes are capable of a wide range of disciplines, from rallying and enduro racing to riding on technical terrain. Dual sport motorcycles, on the other hand, are larger and heavier motorcycles designed for both off-road and on-road use. What size enduro motorcycle should I get? The size of the enduro motorcycle you buy depends on several factors, most notably your level of experience, weight and height. It is usually recommended that beginners use an enduro motorcycle between 250cc to 350cc. A 450cc enduro dirt bike might be too powerful for a beginner, and trust me, a 250cc dirt bike has a lot of bite. On the other hand, some 450cc enduro bikes, like Honda's CRF line, are known for stability and reliability, so when all is said and done, choose the one that feels right for you. Are enduro bikes reliable? The answer is yes. Enduro motorcycles are not only reliable but also durable and can withstand extreme conditions. KTM may be a little more fickle than the more reliable Honda and Yamaha, but generally speaking, dirt bikes are meant to be abused, and stand up to that abuse. Go with the right enduro for you. With all this information at your fingertips, what are the deciding factors that will determine which type of enduro motorcycle you choose? We all have our own reasons why we want an enduro dirt bike. Something as simple as seat height proves to be very important in making a buying decision. Your body type, intended use, and how complicated your ride is, are some things to consider. No matter what type of enduro motorcycle you buy, keep the maintenance tips we cover in mind. And, as always, be careful out there.